Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School kawe na kiskol bapaw hajuwai. Nakajing ngau sarong kalau Pynkup Burom ki sangut ki Samla Pule Jong ka Kiban Pule ya kekerdan Mbbs hapo ka kota Jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Ya kani kajing Pynkup Burom la penlong ha ka khatsan tarik urisau ban le kemen ni kajing le baha kini ki Samla Pule ha ka exam need ka pen i kajing peteng Jong ka school ban le baha ha ka ban sam jing nang jing start ha ka than ri lum jantia. Kini ki sangut ki Samla Pule ki dei uban tei bok pator ubayo ya ka need score sanspa khandai pho ubanet Pule Maulana Azad Medical College New Delhi, Udani Therbor Pasi, Ubayo Sauspa Prapunyo, Uban Pule Haji Medical College Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, Uchanmi Suchang Sauspa New Pulai, Bat Unlet Chaka RIMS Ha Imphal, Kadetiadium Plain, Kabayo Ekaskur Kaba Sauspa Handru Pupra, Kanpule Hadar Bhanga Medical College Bihar, Bat Gawakani Rinmaki Shulai, Kabalayo Laispa Prapundrio, Kanlet Pule Hanegrims Shillong. Baro arngut uwan tei bok bat gadani kila keren hagani gajingalang dak bayaro e school bat kino hikai ki bala ai omtang e gajingnang jing start ha ka puli puthi hendrei wat e gajing hikai jing em bagi kenjo e ka thong kila kentu e ki para samla puli ban tresh tom ha gajing em puli puthi dak ba pau ya gajinan kam jong gajing yasha u principal uba B Richard Yuria ulero e kini ki samla puli ki bawandra e ka nam ko Burom jong ka school ka North Liberty kum ka jaka Pule babaw khmat hajuwai kabalatip nak benta ka jing tibet jongka ha ka jing hikai science na duus nam harja khanyo ulakdo ba ka school kala pen Mbbs ki Samla Pule ki bayo ki seat Mbbs hapo ka bha jongka sarkar jala ka kongsan ha ka ni ka sngi ka Dr. Helen J Yuria ka bade ka district maternal and child health officer bat ka henman jong principal Richard Yuria kala ai jing kran ha ka ni ka sngi kala kran shaphang ki jing e ha ka liang ka kot ka khya ka ba ki brio ki mat hak jaka nong kendong bat wat hasor jowai ru hak babun ki hak banlet shabar jong ka district banlet sumar namar ka jingbom don ki lat jing sumar hak than kalapan pau ka jingkermen bakandon ka jing sumar ka bakhambha hak district hakipor banwan.
This place has not only been a place where we accumulate academic knowledge but also learn valuable lessons that we could put forth in the days to come. The teachers here ones that I've encountered with has been but blessings beyond I have asked, and my relationships with them are ones that I'll cherish for the rest of my life. And I pray that as they've had put an imprint on me, I pray that the others will also see them with those eyes as they are continuing their very best in helping them. While we are celebrating today's 7, our journey is one filled with challenges and perseverance. After completing our 11 and 12, we decided to take on the difficult decision to take a drop year. And this year, we rather have a diverse set of achievers who persisted in taking not only one drop year, but as much as needed. And I can confidently say that looking back, it is the foundation laid by the school and the previous ones we've been to that made us believe we could succeed.
You will face a lot of challenges, especially if you are new to this job. It's almost like a completely different when you are back in class 11 and 12 as well. But for most also, the most important is if you have to be patient, especially in your mock test as well. You might not get the score that you were expecting, but later by later, you will.
In fact, 2-3 of them used to go every year in the past. And this year we have 5 students who had passed their class 12 from North Liberty and have been selected again. So I thought it would not be right if we don't start felicitating them. Because you bring honor not just to your family, but to the school, to me as a principal, and you can be a great source of motivation to your juniors. Am I right? You are leading the way for them to follow. In fact, I made sure that the class 10, class 11 and class 12 students are here because we are looking up to you to bring more laurels to your family and to the school in the coming years. Proud of the teachers of North Liberty. It's because of their hard work and dedication that students of this quality walk out of the school. So can we all give a round of applause to the teachers? Good students will not come out if there are no good parents. We need good parents to have good students. Am I right or wrong? These 5 students are going to study Mbbs. Within a month or two's time, they'll be studying about genes. I don't know, you know or not you know what I'm talking about. Huh? We won't get these students if they don't have those genes from their parents. Am I right or wrong? You gitu, your parents come tip your self taught, you science from self taught. Uyo agi khot you start, ki uyo medical, kami ki bagi pale, ki wakatki. To I start science ongi kejing start, kejing try bait, kejing chlur, one ko here paten ko lagi bagi pa. Nikti genes, kiu hagamet yung gibagi pa, lagi ki kon the yo kon gi was stuck. Don't worry about whether you'll pass in your promotion exam or not. Am I right or wrong, students? I always mention, passing a promotion is leave it to me. Put the burden on me, not on you. Your first burden is to understand the concepts and apply whatever you learn in class 11. Because you don't have much time in class 11. When you come to class 12, forget all about your class 11. Concentrate on everything that's being taught in class 12. Play around with few mock tests which are available online. Play around with them. But don't get deviated from your target, that is your board exams. Do well in your board exams. Go on to your entrance exam and leave the results to the Lord. Let God take care of your results. But do not be disheartened if you are not selected in the first year. You have the drop year that was mentioned, or the year after your board exams. You have a full year to start, to prepare, to reflect, to apply what you have learned. That is what I kept drilling into your minds.
I have experienced whenever I went to the villages and the people complaining that we don't have money, we don't have the facilities to go and get treated outside of the state, which is the case in many villages. Not only villages, even our people of Joai town, we still have to go outside of West Jainti Hills district to other places to look for quality healthcare. So, because of the success of North Liberty Higher Secondary School, I had prepared a speech before I came here, 10 minutes granted before I came here, but I will now focus on these 5 who have decided to drop a year and pursue their NEET exam preparations for the whole year. It paid off, right? I'm sure many must have said, oh my goodness, you are losing 1 year. So my advice to you as a doctor who has graduated, right, from medical college is that every class that you have, think of it as how am I going to use what I learned from this class in my medical practice. Each and every class, pay attention to every class, no matter what you say. You are saying, I want to be a dermatologist, I want to be a psychologist, I want to be a psychiatrist, I want to be a neurosurgeon, I want to be a surgeon, gynecologist. Nothing should stop you from paying attention to every class that is taught in medical college. Sometimes, sometimes we go into it thinking that, no, I'm going to go because this is what I'm interested in. I will not pay attention to that, I will not pay attention to that, right? But please, don't go in a selective manner. Pay attention to every topic. Romans 8:28, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. One Teva, Dauni, Chanmi, Dithyadiam, Wakaniri Manki, you have been called with a purpose. Okay? You have been chosen with a purpose. Go forth and shine and be the beacon for the people of West Jainti Hills. We are looking forward to quality doctors who will not say no to come and work in West Jainti Hills. We will look forward to having such quality healthcare in West Jainti Hills that no one will have to go outside of West Jainti Hills to seek healthcare, and we will be able to give all the high-end tertiary care in our own district. Can we dream that big? Where did I get that dream? See this envelope? It's stamped 22nd March 2008. This letter was sent to me by Dr. Wayne Bigelow from California, USA. He was an inspiration to me. When I first started out in pre-med, going to medical college in pre-med, he sent me this. Look, it's very old. You see it? He sent me this. And I read it and I highlighted it. Do you see the highlights? Pink. You see the highlights? Pink. Right? All the lines? I highlighted it. And I felt that I should share quotes from this because this was what I read when I first set out to be a doctor, and quotes from something that is in here and conclude my speech.